we drop the column employee table, three column employee name, ID and salary. I not want to salary column, so I remove salary column from the employee table, and the employee name ID two columns only need to visible. So for that I create one change set, one change 13, and drop column attribute. It is used to delete the column from the table. Here we need to specify the column name, and here column tag, it is used to identify which column we delete from the table. So here mention name, salary. Here more than one column also remove, means delete from employee table, means specific table permanently. So currently I remove only salary column from the employee table. So this way we can configure, and now we can see the reflection of the table. So here currently salary, and now restart the application, and now we can see it will affected or not. Now application successfully start, and yeah, employee table has only two fields, employee name and ID. So this is working, and this successfully move. So that's it. This way we can configure the tag and drop column, and it requires to table name, and also one tag inside the drop column for identify which column want to remove from the table. So it's working.